Got some bacon wrap fillets, super peppered up.
Yeah, that fish is pretty small. You might even build it to them.
Black cod. Pepper. Pepper.
That 1 gallon didn't fit.
Salt.
Gotta figure out if I'm gonna return on the mail.
Try this out. Oh, too thick. Too thick. There we go. There it go, 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 there it go. Baby taters. Super secret dry rub for the filets. Ooh, 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 ooh. Today's experiment, black cod going in the skillet. Filets go on this little smokeless grill. Never done it before. Cranking this bad boy up to high. Pan. Yeah, got it on high. A little oil. I'm gonna turn it down a smidge. Taters! I'm not no fish expert. I guess I'm just gonna heat it up with that oil. Throw it skin side down. Get a good sizzle. I'm gonna flip it. Add some butter. Them taters gonna take the longest. Maybe like 20 minutes, 25. So I got them cranking first. Then going like maybe 10 minutes or so. Fish pan's steaming. But my snakes are gonna take a little longer. Got the extra pepper on there because they're going on the grill. It's probably gonna fall off. Cod is codding over there. Captain Hook. Come on, chef man. I got them on high. Pretty warm there. Not as hot there. Throw one on, see what happens. Ooh, a little bit of a sizzler. More hot on this side for some reason. Let's go, chef man. Got that sizz. Alright. And here's the one I'm a little scared of. Old codfish. Ew! He's got skin. Woo! There it goes. I don't know, maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes? Figure it out. That's my temp on a little burner. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. These boys over here still sizzling. This might be a slower cook. Not as hot. Might flip them to that side. These have been going for like a minute. Getting a little nervous if I should flip them yet. Alright. Been like a minute, minute and a half. We get a little flip action to how we looking. Pretty crispy. I don't know. I'm not really supposed to look. Oh. We got flared up a little bit. It's pretty good though. Throwing some butter now. Turn that sapsucker down a little bit. 6 maybe. Ooh, don't burn the butter. That butter. It's a little slightly burnt. Ah, popped at me. See how these bad boys flip. Ooh. These had plastic things on them, but I don't really want to cook them with the plastic in there. Oh, it's doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Lost some of my seasonings. Looking like they're cooking. Going pretty good. Check your taters out. They're just about done. Fork pokes through them pretty good. Yeah, fork does the pokey. Pokey. don't know about that fish. Still pretty good looking. I don't think I burnt the butter too bad. Maybe go like another minute. I don't know. Oh, my bacon's unraveling a little bit. Oh lordy. Lordy. There we go. Flip them on that a little bit. A little that type of action. No. Put that bacon up. Get them to sit still. Oh yeah. Come on, boy. There you go. Put that bacon. Pour them taters out. I was gonna smash them with some butter, salt, pepper, maybe a little garlic. Back to that filet. I think it's done. Let's get a little flip-flop action. Oh, looking pretty good. Yo. All right. Now the filet boy say he flipped over. That bacon cooking. Ooh, doggy. That bacon nice. I like mine crisp. Slice it in half, need it a little bit longer. Going back in on the cod. Don't need no listeria. Boar's head. Taters are out and ready to be smushed. Fillets looking yummy. Ooh, that bacon. These are probably almost done. I like them like rare. Medium rare. Plate these taters up. Like bam. So like 4 or 5 on each one. Tiny. Woo! Hot to the touch. Little hot. Grab a little fork and go. Oh God, that one jumped. Just do a little smush. Oh, that big boy don't want to do the smush. Do a little extra smush on power. A little more difficult one-handed. And then just throw some butter on that bad boy. Alright. Fish egg coming back off. Ooh. Fish egg. Oh, get on there, fish egg. A little lemon on the fishy. Just a little couple drip drops. I'm thinking these things are done. Pretty good. Slap them on that plate. Hang on. Come with me. Oh yeah. Butter. Just hit a little salt and pepper. Do it some Lowry's. If you want, you can do some garlic. Pretty simple, but delicious. Big back. And that's how it's looking. Halloween plate. Cod, fish, surf and turf filet. Mashed potatoes. Not that smashed potatoes. Halloween 2024. This is how we're trick-or-treating. About medium rare. Woo-wee. Halloween bon appetit. Skeleton bones, that is.